you got a problem like this tree here, see how it's leaning? Had a storm about back in the spring, and it kind of blew it over a little bit, and I haven't fixed it till now, and I should have fixed it earlier, but it's all right. It's still gonna work out. So this is an apple tree, and this will work on any tree, but I'm gonna get this thing straightened back up like this, and we'll get it like this and get it growing back right. You can see how far it is. It's probably about 2 feet leaning where it needs to be straight up. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it and the stuff I'm gonna do it with, and it's a pretty simple deal. What you need to do first is figure which way you want to pull it. So I actually want to pull it kind of, the camera is this way, but I'm actually going to pull it this way. Right there is where I want it. So I'm going to put my post right there. And I marked it with my foot. And I'm going to get my material and I'll show you that. So I got a old fence post that you can use anything. I'm just using what I got on hand. And I got these yard sale. I think I got 5 of them for $1 or something like that. It's just them little cheap, like a garden fence or something like that. So I got that. I got some twine and I got a piece of garden hose. And of course, put this in my pocket. I got a hammer. This is about a 3-pound hammer. So I got it marked where I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna drive this right here. I'm going to lean it just a little bit because this one will pull that way. And it has to be in the ground pretty good, or really more than you think it's going to have to be. I lost my equipment there. And I'm going to drive it down to the little thing that holds it in there good, because it's going to put a lot of pressure on that. So let's finish driving it. All right, I like it. So I actually pulled this up just a few minutes ago from another tree that I did last year down on the far end, and it's done the same situation as this one. So it takes it several months. I think that one's on there for about a year. Didn't really need to be on there for about a year, but I just left it. All right, so got my piece of garden hose here and got me a little piece of twine. And you got to put something. Just don't put twine around that, because as the year goes by, it will cut into that to your tree bark, and eventually I bet it would either saw into or just outright kill it. So that's why you want this, kind of like a little guard, because this ain't gonna cut nothing. So, all right. Put it about middle ways here. Got old vine growing up in this thing. Hate them things. Put it about right there. Pin this. Now I think what I'm gonna do is tie it and just run on a stringer. That way, this right here, I did learn from the other one. I didn't see, I've got that close together. I think it does a little better when you do that. If I can get it. All right, let's get it right there. So tie it knot. All right, pull this pretty good here. Where I think it needs to be. You see now, I'm pulling on this thing pretty hard right there. It actually looks pretty good right there, so make sure my camera's last few videos I've done made some good stuff and push the record button. There you go. And just gonna wrap this around there because I might need that later. I think it looks pretty good. Let me stand back here and look at it. Oh yeah. That's a whole lot better. You can see how it pulls this pole. So that's an ambrosia, I don't know what it is, something like that. Apple tree, and I don't know if it's a full size or a dwarf or semi-dwarf. It's on some kind of rootstock, but I don't know what kind. And I asked the people where I bought it at. I think it's one of the deals I bought on sale. Of course, you get somebody don't know nothing about it. So, there you go. You see how easy that was. It didn't take. Seemed like it took longer to gather up my supplies than it did to get that fixed. So the rest of them are. I got one down there. I'm gonna do a little one. And I got 3 apple trees in a row, little ones here. Well, I got this one, I got 3 more, and I got another one down there I just planted. And they were going good, and the deer come by and ate the tops of them off. So I don't know if they're gonna grow or stunted or what, but they haven't grown any last year. So I'm gonna work on a little bit this fall, give them a little fertilizer in the spring and all that good stuff. So, and of course, right over here is our new peach orchard. And I have another row I'm gonna put right through there between here and the peach orchard. I don't know exactly what I'm kind of thinking about. Maybe putting some heirloom apples, like a Alabama shell. I've been looking at it. A Grimes, something like that. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll go over together. I'm sure. I'll make a video of it, and you'll see all about it. All right. I hope everybody had a real good Thanksgiving. I mean, I've probably gained about, I don't know, 5 to 10 pounds, and it was really good. The girls did a really good job. I had a really good time. So hope you did too. Hey, give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below if you got any questions. It's a beautiful day out here today. Hope you're having a good day where you're at. Probably fixing to take a nap, I think. So just kidding. She won't let me take a nap like I want to. You know, but you eat all that meal for a few days, and you need to let all that food digest. You know how it goes. All right, give us a thumbs up. Support your local farm. We'll see you down here at the farm next video.